In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect S Pen to Note 20 Ultra. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the options that you have to use an S Pen with your Note 20 Ultra. Something that I need to make very clear is that your Note 20 Ultra and any other models of the Note series should already include an S Pen, so you should only follow these steps if you purchased an additional S Pen, such as the S Pen Pro, or if you are having trouble getting it to work. But like I said, if you are able to just remove the S Pen from its slot, usually it is going to be over here at the bottom. So all that you have to do is press on this button and then you will be able to pull it out with your fingers. Once you take the S Pen out of its slot, you will find this icon which allows you to access all of the options related to the S Pen. You can control everything here. It is easy to use and it is always going to be natively available. Now, if you purchased an additional S Pen or yours is not working, what I recommend is that you go over to the settings, choose advanced features as you can see here, and you go into the S Pen category. Inside of the S Pen category, you will be able to manage various things about the S Pen. Now, this screenshot here is from my S22 Ultra, but essentially the process is the same. You will see if it is inserted and ready to be used. If you are having trouble using it, tap on these three dots and you can either reset the S Pen, or if, like I said, you purchased an alternative S Pen such as the S Pen Pro, you will find the option to connect it here. If you choose Reset S Pen, just follow the instructions on the screen and let this process finish. And if you choose Scan for S Pen Pro, you are going to get instructions on what to do. You simply have to press and hold the pairing button available in the S Pen Pro, so as you can see highlighted here. Once you press this button for long enough, the LEDs will flash and it should connect itself automatically to your Note 20 Ultra or any other device. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect S Pen to Note 20 Ultra. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.